Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use circular needles for flat knitting. Many knitters find circular needles more comfortable, especially for larger projects, as the weight rests in your lap. Select a needle length that is shorter than your project's width to avoid stretching. Cast on your desired number of stitches onto one needle tip, just as you would with straight needles. Make sure all stitches are oriented correctly on the cable. To begin knitting your first row, hold the needle with the cast-on stitches in your left hand and the empty needle in your right hand. Slide the stitches from the cable onto the left needle tip. Now, simply knit across the row, working each stitch from the left needle to the right. The flexible cable will comfortably hold all your unworked stitches, keeping them secure. After completing a row, you will turn your work exactly as you would with straight needles. The needle that now holds all the worked stitches will become your new left-hand needle. The empty needle will be in your right hand, ready to receive the next row of stitches. You can then continue knitting or purling according to your pattern, maintaining a consistent tension. Using circular needles for flat knitting offers several advantages. They distribute the project's weight evenly, significantly reducing strain on your wrists and arms. There is also no risk of stitches slipping off the ends, which is a common issue with straight needles. Remember to use stitch markers for complex patterns, and always ensure your cable is not twisted before starting a new row.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.